Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. National Under-20 representative Giovanni Taylor scored a hat-trick in leading Arnett Gardens to a 4-0 win over Racing United in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday.
Coach of Arnett Gardens, Philip Williams, says Giovanni Taylor is repaying the faith placed in him, following the striker netting a first-half hat-trick against the league's third-place team, Racing United. Taylor, who has just returned from national under-20 duty, wasted little time in finding the back of the net, doing so after just 8 minutes into the game. And before Racing United knew what hit them, Taylor was at it again as he made it 2-0 within 6 minutes. He would have missed a couple of chances thereafter, but still managed to complete the hat-trick in first half stoppage time. Even though Racing managed to stop the bleeding in the second half, Ronaldo Lawrence still got to add one of his own, as he made it 4-0 in stoppage time. But the man of the night was Taylor.
Yeah, I'm feeling very elated right now to score a hat-trick in the first half and get the 3 points for my team for boost of confidence, to get the people coming back in the stadium, so I feel good.
Williams was grateful to Taylor, who was instrumental in ending their 5-match winless run.
Well, let us start with the team. I think it was an overall complete performance from the team today. We were strong defensively off the ball, and we were ruthless offensively when we had possession of the football. So it was an overall complete team performance today. In terms of Giovanni, I think Giovanni, all he's doing is returning the trust that we have in him. He's a youngster, and we asked him to lead the line today, and he did that superbly.
As for Racing coach Anthony Patrick, indiscipline and poor defending cost them dearly.
I think this is a wake-up call for the team in general. We look very, very flat out there today. Hence no marking in the back line. The back line alone showed up and never come to. They just take the pitch and don't play.
Racing remained third in the league on 40 points, while Arnett Gardens are 7th on 35. The league continues on Wednesday with 3 matches. Leaders Montego Bay United are at home to Dumbarton FC. Mullines United entertain Waterhouse at the Constant Spring Field, and Treasure Beach play Portmore United at Steds. All matches start at 3:30 p.m. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.